Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be organizing what I call my miscellaneous drawer. If you've been watching my channel, I've been doing a lot of makeovers and home improvements, so this drawer is not functional at the moment. I needed to be more organized because we're going to be doing a lot of home improvement projects. So I'm going to take these baskets of screws and put them in this two-sided organizer that I picked up from Home Depot for $9.99, and this is a great buy. I'll have it something similar linked down in the description box. Check out my Amazon storefront and I should have something similar to this if you're interested in organizing. So yeah, I'm very organized and I like for my items to be organized as well, so I decided to update this drawer, this miscellaneous drawer. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it with these screws and nails and batteries and all kind of goodies. So I'll just play the music and do a little bit, and then I'll come back later to show you the final result. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget friendly content, and if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red, not the red, but it's pink now, that pink notification at the bottom of the video where you'll be notified when I upload a video. So yeah, I just felt compelled to organize my drawer, so I want to share this process with you guys because you may be interested in doing something similar. So this is one side of the drawer. These are the AAA batteries. Then I have a 9-volt batteries over there, some spare keys, and some of those little things you put on the furniture. And I got all kind of goodies, batteries. So I went ahead and cut this down the size so it could fit in there, and so I went ahead and cut the size of the battery off the package and just taped it to the back so I'll know the size of the batteries. And these are some old knobs that I took off my bathroom vanity. You know, this is a budget friendly channel, so we reuse items, so I'm going to go ahead and keep those. So I tried to put all the screws that are similar together, so that's what I'm doing here. So yeah, I think this is going to be much more functional, especially when we tackle some more of these home improvement projects that me and my husband have planned. So that's one side. This is the other side. So I just think this is a great buy for $9.99 where you get two different sides. So like I said, I'll have something similar linked in my description box if you're interested. And freeing up that drawer was very good for me because I needed somewhere to display my store my new towels and washcloths that I bought. So yeah, so this was a great idea in my opinion. So yeah, this is one of those videos just inspirational for you to get you motivated to get your home organized. So this is Miss V. As always, I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.